Hey, it's Scott, and today I'm excited to show you this Ace knife set that I received from the manufacturer for a review. And it comes in a really nice gift box. I kind of like that. Very well packaged, as you can see here. Now this is the 3 set, and there are a couple of cleavers in here, as well as this katana type knife. It's made with really nice high carbon steel, and it has a hardness of 56, 58 on the Rockwell scale, which is perfect for like cleavers and knives. And you can see the beautiful detail on here. And this should not rust because it is stainless. It has a full stainless tang in here. And it also has a nice little bottle opener on the end and a place where you can hang it. The other thing is it's got a very nice ergonomic handle with a finger guard as well. So that all those features are super nice, and it is really well balanced. You know, it just feels good in your hands. So it does come, this is a 3 knife set. So you do have these chopper type cleavers as well. And they're all different lengths of blades, as you can see here. And you can read those dimensions in the listing for the product, but they're very nice knives. They feel very solid, and I'm going to go ahead and clean them up here, give them a quick wash, and show you how they chop. All right, let's chop. So here's the chef knife again, and we'll show you how it cuts tomatoes, nice and thin. It's a very sharp blade. Cut you some of that. And even the bigger one, the cleaver, probably work good for that too. Oh yeah. These are extremely sharp, and they, like I said, they have a Rockwell hardness of about 56, 58, which is perfect for cleavers. It's just soft enough to where it will not chip easily, but yet hard enough that it'll keep a nice sharp edge for a long time. So as you can see here, whoop, you can get through things effortlessly. Let's get rid of this stuff. Show you some lettuce. It's one of my favorite things to chop up with a knife like this. Yeah, beautiful. And then we're gonna get some meat going here. So these things are just awesome for cutting meat. It's just, I wish I had knives like this a long time ago. It's perfect for cutting through the fat. And I can cut this in half to make some nice little steaks here. Oh yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look nice? There's dinner, guys. I really like these knives. They feel great. They're easy to take care of and balanced really nicely. So I'm gonna give them a thumbs up, guys.